Hi beauties, welcome back to my page. Today I'm going to be installing a wig, and before I get into the installation of the wig, I have 2 wigs. I don't know which wig to choose from. So this one is a 20, both of them are 28 inches wig. This one comes pre-plucked, lace tinted, but I'm going to further tint it because I'm not fair like this. But if you were a fair person, you can go like this. It's already pre-plucked, as you can see. It is, you already know I love curly wigs, right? And it's 180 density. So just before we get into the installation, all these wigs are available in our shop. You know, sometimes like I do unboxing of these wigs. If you want any wig of your choice, you can come to Vienna's Beauty, located in Curie Courthouse Lane, Tralee, County Kerry. I already did my cornrow, and to get into the installation of this wig, I just want to choose between this wig and this wig. They kind of look the same, but they're different. They kind of look the same, but like they're different. This one is kind of like a color 2. This one is a color 4. This one is curler than this one. And this one is a 4x4 closure. And this one is a 13x6 closure. Because today is I'm having a dinner date with my friend. She's taking me out for my birthday. I wanted to do something different, something like a ponytail, kind of like stylish curly look. I'm considering this one, even though I can achieve the look with this one, but I wanted something that would kind of like look like my scalp, if I'm making sense, something that is more natural. So I'll get into the installation in a bit, but if you have not liked and follow my page, please do so, because this year 2024 I'll try to create more content around things like this. If you are interested, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before I get into the installation, I always just like to measure my wig and see how well it fits to my head, because this wig, you can wear it without necessarily installing it, because it has this adjustable bands below. It has adjustable bands at the back that you can adjust it and make the lace lay to your hair without any glue or any spray. So let me just show you. You can make it tighter here, but because I want to make it a ponytail, that's why I'll be installing it today. So you see that you can adjust it, you can make it bigger, or I feel like it's a little bit tight and I'll be out all evening, so I don't want anything that will be inconveniencing me. But if I was not installing it, I would have made it tighter. Am I making sense? So I'll just lose that up, and then let's get into it. You might as well just wear it to your head and see how, and adjust it from there. Do you know what I mean? So now that I'm wearing it, I can feel, I know exactly how to adjust it, how I'm feeling, you know. This wig is so nice. I don't know why they made the lace so long. If you are creating wigs, let me just give you a tip. If you do wigs and you buy something like this, you can always use this lace to do another wig, either a 4x4 closure. Because of how big the lace is, I'm going to cut the lace before I install it. And to do this, I will tint it first, and I'll be using this lace tint. To be honest, I just unboxed it now. I've not used it before, so just because I'm unsure, I'll start at the back of the hair to kind of like do that, and I'll use the brush, just smooth it out. It's very dark. It's kind of, it's too dark even for my skin tone. It's appearing too dark, so a little goes a long way. That's what it looks like now. I'll just use a foundation brush to brush that out, and then I'll leave it to dry. So you can see how the lace looks and the upper part. So I'm using this blade I use in grooming brows to cut the lace, because the blade is kind of zigzag, so it cuts the lace in a zigzag motion not straight like a scissors will normally do, and this just makes the lace look natural. After everything, and I'm using the glue stick. We have our own Vienna's brand glue stick, which we sell for a very affordable price. I'm telling you, if you are a wig lover, glue stick should be your best friend, because they really help to keep your hair together, they keep the fly away, and it just makes you look put together at all times while you're wearing your wig. I really highly recommend a glue stick. And after doing that, I just brush out my flyaway hairs backward, and I'm going in with the first spray of the got to be spray. Then I'll use my dryer on a low heat to spray that out. Mind you, I'm not a professional wig installer. This is something I just learned on my own, and I'm not a big fan of wigs, so I hardly. The last time I did this was in 2022 at my friend's 40th birthday, and this, it wasn't even a full install because then it was just a 4x4 wig, but this one is a 13x6 wig. That's why I have to go extra mile. I was doing this for my birthday surprise party. Well, I didn't know at the time it was a surprise, but I just needed to do something with my hair because I had nobody to do my hair then. Now I'm just looking at it. I didn't even have the time to pluck the wig, and I'm going in with the, I don't remember if I'm using the Vienna's beauty glue, but yeah, we do have our own glue, and then just spreading that around. That's what I did. Like, I'm struggling with my hairline, so wig installation is not my thing at all. I do that to the other side and I hold it down. Next, I'll be going in and just tying it down to melt the lace. I later on started this week and I did my makeup, so obviously you should be watching out for the part 2 of this video. And if you've not liked and follow our page, if you're on YouTube, just
like I said, I want to do an updo. And honestly, like, this is not my best install because I don't have a mirror in front of me. My tripod broke, so I just put my phone on the table and there was no space to put a mirror. So I'm just looking into the camera and it was so difficult to see the edges. You'll see the final touch when I'm styling the hair, but for now I have to go do my makeup and then I'll come and complete this video when I'm done with my makeup. Remember that all these weeks are very.
So now I'm just doing like a small edge. I really wanted it to look natural, so I'm just working out those edges, and I'm using the Gorilla gel because it's for the week, like, and I wanted the edges to lay throughout the night, which it did. It honestly did. So I'm really grateful for that. You can use the got to be glue as well, but for some reason I just prefer the Gorilla gel. Look at how it's laying down. That's it. At the end of the day, do what works for you. Please like and follow, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the part 2 of this video. Bye. Love you so much.